In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use geolocation information from your Mailchimp audience. So start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, go to audience. And from here, scroll down to see all your contacts list. Mailchimp automatically collects geolocation data like country, city, and time zone when subscribers interact with your emails or sign up through forms. Next, use this data to create segments. And to do that, under the Audience section, click on Segments. Then next is click on Create Segment. So for the filter, you can filter your contacts by location, such as country, state, or city. This lets you send different campaigns to different regions. So for that, you can choose address, then the condition is contains, and here you can type in a specific location that you would like to filter them. So basically, you can use it to promote local events, region specific offers, or send emails at the best time for each time zone. Once done, click on Review segment. And here, as you can see, there are two contacts that appear in the filter I created. And here you can proceed by using this segment. Lastly, add a segment name. So say for example, these are those people who live in USA. So we can name this as USA, then save and exit. You can also view geolocation insights in reports. And to do that, click on Analytics, then Custom Reports. So here you can see where your most engaged subscribers are located, and this helps you refine your strategy and focus on regions where your audience is most active. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!